he grew into this new role. His parents are watching. Within an hour, you can see this child growing into the new role because I painted a picture of how he should behave, and I inspired him through language. One of the ways we really inspire is through language. So we'll speak to a child, and I can sense straight away when I speak to a child how they feel about themselves just from the language they use. A lot of the time they've got negative inner talk, negative sort of self-image because of the way they talk. And I think it's very, very apparent with students with low confidence. But what we want to do is paint that picture. So for instance, last week we had a child come to class. They were struggling with behavior. And the first thing I said was, you look like a student who would be an amazing leader. You look like a student who could help me by organizing one of the lines. He was slightly older than the other students in the class, so I had him on the third line. I couldn't put him at the very front because he was moving around a lot, distracting the students, so I put him on the third line, and his role was to be the leader of the line. So I spoke to him for about 2 or 3 minutes about the importance of being the leader in the class. And suddenly, after being told he was naughty, probably for the last 6, 7 years, he grew into this new role. His parents are watching. Within an hour, you can see this child growing into the new role because I painted a picture of how he should behave, and I inspired him through language. Rather than telling him what he should do, rather than telling a child what they should do, inspire them through the way you speak.